The CBID issued a clarification in respect of income tax clearance certificate. Under ITCC Section 230 of the Income Tax Act 1961 related to obtaining a tax clearance certificate in certain circumstances by a person domiciled in India. They said the provision of instant come to statute through Finance Act 2003. That is 1606. The Finance 2000, the Finance Act. Um, the said provisions say that come to the state on section Finance Act 2003 with respect of 2003, the Finance Bill 2006 has made only an amendment of the section 230 section 1 of the Act of the reference to the black and undisclosed foreign income assets and imposition of tax on those. Mm. The insertion has been said mean also covers the liability of the Black Money Act in the same manner as the liabilities of income tax and 1961. Other dealing with the directive of tax of purpose of 230 of income tax. This appears to be misinformation about the amendment of embedding the incorrect interpretation of amendment. It has been erroneously reported that all Indian citizens would obtain the income tax clearance certificate before leaving country. This question is factually incorrect. Section 230 of the Act, every person is not required to obtain the tax clearance certificates. Only certain persons in respect to whom circumstances exist, which makes it necessary to obtain tax clearance certificate, as required to obtain such certificate. The position has been said the state you under Section 2000 under since 2003 and remains unchanged even the amendments of the Finance Bill 2004. In the context, CBIT we will note the instrument number 1 2004 dated 5th February 2004 has specified that the tax clearance certificate under Section 230 subsection 1A of the Act may be required to obtain by the person domiciled in India only in the following circumstances. That a person is involved in serious financial irregularities and is respective is necessary his presence is necessary in investigation. In the case under the Income Tax Act and the Wealth Tax are likely to be tax demand will be raised against him. But the person has a direct tax arrear exceeding 10 lakhs outstanding against him, which has not been stayed on any authority. Further, a person can be asked to obtain tax lien certificates only after recording the seasons of the same and after taking approval from the Principal Chief Commissioner of Income Tax or Chief Commissioner of Income Tax. In the view, therefore, it is reiterated that ITCC under Section 231 of the Act needed to be resident or domiciled in India only in rare cases, such as us, where a person is involved in serious financial irregularities or where the tax demand of more than 10 lakhs in a pending more than 10 lakhs of spending, which is not paid in any authority.